What's up, guys? Kirby with Lightspeed Construction coming to you from a roof out here in northeast Knoxville, Knox County. Represent. Going to be deleting a chimney, covering it with most likely like a gutter coil type metal, something, just something to get by until this owner considers replacing the siding. Most likely going to be an easy warrant for fascia. This fascia is not in great shape, you know, it's a little unsightly, and we are deleting this chimney. As I mentioned, this portion of roof is going to be possibly getting completely redecked. You got a number of different places in the perimeter of the roof is in poor shape, so it might be a redeck. A good portion of kind of all around. This looks very nice right there. That's what I was hoping to see. That's a piece of plywood circa 1980, maybe 1990. Older piece of plywood. Get up here, the shingles obviously have seen better days. This would be a shingle in need of replace, which is what we're here to quote this owner. These deck boards feel terrific. There's no gripe, no complaints. You can see I'm walking over these deck boards. Really not anything spongy, no issue. No problem. Knock on wood. I think we're going to be having an excellent candidate here for a ridge vent. Our owners requested that we include that in the quote. Should not be a problem. These aren't the strongest boards in the entire universe. I think they're going to be just fine. The roof too. Ever so slight amount of sponginess on my 200-pound test. Kind of got the same thing going on. Boards feel fine. Maybe not perfect, but they feel fine. So really our big focus is going to be on the boards on the back portion of this roof, where there was just kind of a number of different issues. This owner is going to be, like I mentioned, an excellent candidate for fascia metal. We've got some fascia right there that's kind of being all shot off the job, and gutters as well. Also, the soffits don't vent. So really our scope here is going to be roofing, fascia metal, soffits that vent so this roof can breathe and the attic space can breathe, and then new gutters. And we're going to do that instead of putting a standing seam roof on, which will be around the same cost as the soffit, the fascia, the gutters, and the roof. We're going to do shingles, soffit, fascia, and gutters, and that'll be around the same price as a standing seam. Sorry to disappoint the owners, but I think they probably agree with that scope pretty good. Not really too much to gripe about or complain deck board wise, other than the back portion of the roof. I ain't scared. Let's get this roof on. So I'm gonna pull an owner or estimate together for this owner. I'm gonna measure this roof, and hopefully everything makes sense to move forward and get this roof going. Thank you guys for watching very much.